Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or link your bank account in Payoneer. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Payoneer and make sure you are logged into your account. You want to link your bank account. Now you can see these options in the left side. You can see this one here, bank accounts. Just simply tap on it and it will show you your bank accounts here. Now you can see this bank account for withdrawals or recipient bank accounts. You can tap on this bank account for withdrawals and it will land you on this page. You can see I have already linked an account. Now if you want to add an account, you can see this option here, add account. Just simply tap on this and now it will land you on this page. Now you have to enter your bank details, select your currency, and then you can easily link your bank account with Payoneer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.